Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Math Extra. In today's video, I will discuss part 2 of the topic on quadratic function, which is transforming quadratic function from vertex form to standard form. Let's recap the forms of quadratic function that we discussed in part 1. Vertex form is expressed as function of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. It can be transformed to standard form, which is expressed as function of x equals a x squared plus bx plus c. Let's discuss some examples on how to transform from vertex form to standard form. Example 1. Function of x equals negative times x minus 3 squared plus 9. Let's solve x minus 3 squared using the formula a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In x minus 3 squared, x is the a and 3 is the b. So let's substitute x squared minus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 squared. So let's multiply equals x squared minus 2 times x times 3 is negative 6x plus 9. Then let's substitute copy negative, then x squared minus 6x plus 9. Then with distributive property of multiplication, negative times x squared is negative x squared. Negative times negative 6x is positive 6x. Negative times positive 9 is negative 9 plus 9. Then, since negative 9 and plus 9 is equal to 0, let's cancel that out. Function of x is now equal to negative x squared plus 6x. Hence, in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, a is equal to negative 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 0. Example 2. Function of x equals negative 3 times 2x plus 1 squared minus 4. Let's solve 2x plus 1 squared by the formula a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 squared, 2x is the a and 1 is the b. So let's substitute. A squared is 2x, then square root of that, plus 2 times 2x plus 2x times 1, then plus 1 squared. Then simplify equals 4x squared plus 2x times 2x plus 1 is 4x, and then plus 1. Substitute this to the function. We copy negative 3, and then 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. With distributive property of multiplication, negative 3 times 4x squared is negative 12x squared. Then negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 minus 4. Then let's combine like terms. Function of x equals negative 12x squared minus 12x, and then negative 7. So the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So a is equal to negative 12. B is negative 12 as well. And then c is equal to negative 7. Let's have another example. Example 3. Express the equation 2x plus 1 squared equals 5x in standard form. Solution. Copy the equation 2x plus 1 squared equals 5x. So let's solve 2x plus 1 squared using the formula. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In 2x plus 1 squared, 2x is the a and 1 is the b. So let's substitute. A squared is 2x squared, and then plus 2 times 2x times 1, then plus 1 squared. Then 4x squared, then plus 2 times 2x times 1 is 4x, then plus 1. Let's substitute that into the equation. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 5x. So let's transfer the term on the right to the left. In doing so, the sign will change from positive to negative. So it will be 4x squared plus 4x minus 5x, since we transfer it to the left, and then plus 1 equals 0. Let's combine like terms. 4x squared, then 4x minus 5x is negative x, then plus 1 equals 0. For our last example, example 4, identify a, b, and c in the equation 2 times 3x minus 4 times 3x plus 4 equals 4x minus 1 squared. So let's solve this using the formula a minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. So we substitute 3x minus 4 and then 3x plus 4 equals 3x squared minus 4 squared. So 3x squared is 9x squared, then 16. So we also solve 4x minus 1 squared using the formula a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So substitute 4x minus 1 squared equals 4x squared minus 2 times 4x times 1 plus 1 squared. So 4x squared is 16x squared minus 2 times 4x minus times 1 is negative 8x, then plus 1. So let's now substitute that into the equation. 2 times 9x squared minus 16 equals 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. So we distribute 2. 2 times 9x squared is 18x squared. 2 times negative 16 is negative 32 equals 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. Let's move the terms from the right to the left. In doing so, its sign will change from positive to negative. Negative 8x will be positive 8x. Positive 1 will become negative 1. So let's do that. 18x squared minus 16x squared plus 8x minus 32, then minus 1 equals 0. So combine like terms. 18x squared minus 16x squared is 2x squared, then plus 8x, then negative 32, negative 1 is negative 33 equals 0. In standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, a is 2, then B is 8, and C equals negative 33. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something. If you want more of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have a math problem that you are struggling with, you can comment it below and I'll try to help you find the solution. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!